Let's memorize fetal circulation. Fetal circulation is just like adult heart circulation, except for you need to remember three things. Starting with DFD, which stands for ductus venosus, foramen ovale, ductus arteriosus. Second part is common circulation rule, meaning the veins run towards the heart and arteries away from the heart. And lastly, Dr. On, which stands for deoxygenated blood follow regular path, and via foramen ovale, oxygenated blood follows new path. This is a normal structure of heart carrying all the four chambers. In fetal circulation, the lungs are not functioning and hence the liver comes into major role. From the placenta, the left umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood, goes to the liver, gives some part of it to the left branch of portal vein and major to the ductus. It then connects into the inferior vena cava and the blood drains into right atrium. Now the oxygenated blood following new path goes into foramen ovale, enters left atrium, goes left ventricle into the aorta, from the ascending aorta, arch of aorta and descending aorta. It supplies the body and terminates into common iliac artery. This artery gives internal and external iliac artery, and from internal arises two left and right umbilical arteries which goes into the placenta. The deoxygenated blood follows the regular path, meaning it goes into right atrium, right ventricle, then into the pulmonary arteries, but since the lungs are non-functional, the blood enters back into the arch of aorta via ductus arteriosus, and the deoxygenated blood gets out from the body into the placenta by right and left umbilical arteries.